Hello my good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through chemistry. Our subtopic today is about reaction of acids with gases. So first, we will begin by defining what is a base. In our previous lesson we had discussed about acids with metals, the reaction between acid with metal, and we had defined acids. So for today we are going to define a base. A base is a substance which, when reacted with acid, forms salt and water as the only product. So this is the definition of a base, and we are going to see, or we are going to discuss what happens when dilute acids react with bases. So acids have a pH value below 7, and the bases have a pH value above 7. So if I was to draw a pH scale, this is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is my pH scale. Seven is neutral. It is neutral. It is neither acidic nor basic. So the values below 7, from 6 down to 0, are acidic. And the values above 7, this is now from 8 to 14, they are bases. Remember, we have strong acids and weak acids. We also have strong bases and weak bases. So if this is my pH scale, 7 is always neutral, and the values above, the pH value above 7 are bases, and the pH value below 7 are acidic in nature. So when acids react with bases, they form salt and water as the only product. So acid plus bases, they form salt plus water as the only product. So this process is referred to as neutralization process or neutralization reaction. A salt and water are neutral product, hence the reaction is referred to as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Salt and water are the only products that are formed when an acid reacts with a base. For example, when I'm reacting sodium hydroxide, which is a base, so let me write a word equation. This is a word equation. I am reacting sodium hydroxide plus, let me say, hydrochloric acid. My product or my result, it will be sodium chloride. This is the salt that will be formed, sodium chloride plus water. So these are my products, and these are my reactants. I am reacting sodium hydroxide, which is a base, plus hydrochloric acid, which is an acid. I am getting a salt, which is sodium chloride plus water as the only product. The reaction is called neutralization reaction. It is neutralizing. Now sodium chloride plus salt are the only products that are formed, meaning the reaction is called neutralization. So when we are reacting sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid, we are getting a salt. This is now the salt that has been formed, sodium chloride. Remember that. We also have other bases. For bases, this is bases. We have ammonia solution. Ammonia solution is also basic. We have metal oxides, and we also have metal hydroxides. So when I am reacting ammonia solution with an acid, either of the acids, I will get a salt plus water. When I am reacting metal oxide plus any of the acids, maybe sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, carbonic acid, I will get a salt and water as the only product formed. Example of a metal oxide plus an acid. Let me write an example of an equation. Let me write a chemical equation. I will choose metal, let me say lead oxide. I am reacting lead oxide, it's a solid, plus nitric acid, aqueous state. I will get a salt which is lead nitrate. It is soluble, so it's aqueous state, plus water. Water is in liquid form. So this is my chemical equation, but it's not balanced. So to balance it, to balance the oxygen and the hydrogen, I'll write here 2, and my equation is balanced. So this is an example. Lead oxide, it's a metal oxide. Nitric acid is the acid, and lead nitrate is my salt formed plus water. Another example for metal hydroxide, I am reacting a metal hydroxide plus an acid. Example, I will go with calcium hydroxide. For this case, metal hydroxide, calcium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. The product that I will get, it's calcium chloride, which is the salt, plus water. My equation, it's not balanced. To balance the hydrogen and chloride, I will write here 2, and I will also write here 2, and my equation is balanced. So calcium hydroxide is our metal hydroxide, which is a base. Remember, it's a base, plus acid, which is hydrochloric acid. I am getting a salt. Calcium chloride is my salt plus water. And remember, this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Remember that. So this marks the end of our lesson today, or this marks the end of our video today. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, comment down below And remember to practice, practice, practice. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.